Good morning, 4th graders and parents. Here's your video for Monday, October 5th. Morning meeting, watch the video and answer the question. So let me explain that. So right here you've got a question, and it says, what does it look like to follow directions first time given? What does it sound like to follow directions first time given? First you watch the video, then you answer the question. You'll have space over here where you can type in your answer. Please do not type it down here. Please type it over here. Writing, continue working on your narrative. Use your story map to write your draft. Stretch out your story like we've been doing in class. Math, work on your playlist. So I'm going to go back. Find your playlist. You know what? I've got one right here. So to remind you, write the date completed when you complete things and go in order. So if I was on number 2, I'd watch this video first, then I would watch this video, complete this form, and then if I want to, I can play this game. If I don't, I don't need to. But every day, you need to work on this for at least 30 minutes. So please do that. I will even add that to these directions so we know. And we'll make it 20 minutes. So playlist for 20 minutes, Streambox for 20 minutes. And then finish the Magic Glasses 5-finger retail. This is graded, just as an FYI. You go to classwork, you find it right there. So please get that done. That is due tomorrow. Have a great day. Let me know if I can help you, and I will see you on Wednesday.